Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smarter purchasing decisions. In today's episode, we have two 4K dash cams battling it out for the title of the best dash cam in town. On the left, we have the ROVE R2-4K dash cam, and on the right, we have the REDTIGER 4K dash cam. Let's dive right into the comparisons. When it comes to video quality, both dash cams promise to deliver stunning 4K resolution. But let's see how they stack up against each other. Now let's move on to the features. What do these dash cams bring to the table? Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, price. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam takes the crown in video quality and price. However, the REDTIGER 4K dash cam puts up a tough fight with its impressive features. We hope this comparison has helped you make a smarter purchasing decision. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.